How will audio mastering influence the future of K-pop sound? Imagine a world where every beat, every note, and every lyric hits just right, no matter where you listen. That's what audio mastering is set to do for the future of K-pop. As the genre continues to grow beyond Korea's borders, the way music sounds on different devices and platforms becomes more important than ever. Mastering is the final step in music production that makes sure each song sounds clear, balanced, and vibrant across all listening environments. It's like giving every track a finishing touch that makes it stand out, whether on a phone, a computer, or a big concert speaker. K-pop is known for blending many styles like R&B, trap, and pop, and mixing languages like Korean and English. Mastering engineers will need to adapt their techniques to keep each genre's unique flavor intact while making the whole song sound cohesive. They carefully control the loudness and dynamics so the song doesn't get distorted or lose impact. Sometimes they use subtle clipping, which is a way to boost loudness without ruining the sound quality. This helps K-pop tracks sound powerful and energetic without sacrificing clarity. Artificial intelligence is also changing how mastering works. AI tools can analyze a song's tonal balance and loudness levels quickly, giving suggestions to improve the sound. This makes it easier for producers to create tracks that are both innovative and ready for global audiences. These tools help ensure that songs sound great on streaming platforms, radio, and live shows. They also help optimize sound for different devices, from tiny earbuds to large speakers, so fans everywhere get the best listening experience. As K-pop continues to reach more countries, mastering will be key to maintaining high quality across all markets. It ensures that the music sounds consistent no matter where fans are listening from. This consistency helps the genre stand out on international streaming services and in live performances. It also supports the genre's ability to fuse genres and languages without losing its energetic vibe. In the future, audio mastering will be more than just polishing tracks. It will be a vital part of how K-pop evolves and expands globally. It will help artists push creative boundaries while keeping their sound polished and appealing. By refining the final sound, mastering will keep K-pop fresh, vibrant, and ready for whatever the future holds.